In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up rules in Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for managing projects, whether you're working solo or as part of a team. By setting up automation rules, you can streamline your workflow and ensure everything runs smoothly without the need for constant manual adjustments. So, let's dive right in and go through the setup process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the Trello website by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Trello.com. Once there, you'll see the options to log in, so go ahead and select your preferred method of logging in. You can use your email, Google account, or any other options available. Once you've logged in, you'll be brought to your main Trello dashboard. From your Trello dashboard, select the workspace you'd like to manage. Within this workspace, choose the specific board where you want to set up your automation rules. Now, once your board has successfully loaded, direct your attention to the board menu located at the top of your screen. Here, you'll find an option labeled Automation. Go ahead and click on that to open the Automation menu. After the Automation menu opens, you'll be presented with several options. For our purposes today, select Rules from the available automation options. This choice will allow you to create and customize the rules specific to your board. Next, you should see a button labeled Create Rule, or a simple plus button. Click on it to start creating your rule. This part is where it gets interesting because you can tailor the rule to suit your specific needs. Now, it's time to add actions to your rule. These actions are what you want to happen when a trigger occurs. Triggers can be actions like a card being moved to a new list or a due date being reached. The actions themselves can include a variety of options such as moving cards to different lists, adding specific labels, setting due dates, or even archiving cards. Choose whichever actions fit your workflow best. But don't stop at just one action. Trello allows for multiple actions within a single rule, enabling you to create a sequence of automated activities. For example, you could set a rule that runs when a task card is moved to completed, triggering labels to change and due dates to update, all automatically. Finally, after you've set up both your trigger and the corresponding actions, be sure to click Save to activate your new rule. This last step ensures that your rule is set and ready to streamline your Trello board operations. There you have it. A straightforward path to automating your Trello board using rules. By leveraging these automation capabilities, you can save time, reduce manual errors, and focus more on your tasks rather than the management. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.